In the figure below, a rectangle ABCD overlaps with a circle with center A. The area of the shaded parts is 1/3 the area of the rectangle. So when we see this, the first thing we can do is to assign this one unit to the shaded parts and 3 units to the rectangle. Alright, now before reading on, it's good to annotate on the diagram the respective units. So for example, the shaded part is 1 unit and the entire rectangle is 3 units, which means this particular section here, right here, will be 3 minus 1, that will be 2 units, okay? 1 plus 2, in total we have 3 units for this particular rectangle. Now the total area of the unshaded parts of the figure is 770. Take pi to be 22/7. Find the length of AB. That is also the radius of your circle. Find the perimeter of this figure, which means the entire outline of this figure, which means 3/4 of a circumference plus this length, and this length. Okay, now the important clue that we have is about the units and the area of the unshaded portion. So where is unshaded? It will be these 2 units here plus the remaining part of the circle. This part, this part. Tick, tick, tick. Alright, now since we know that the quadrant makes up 1 unit of area, the other quadrant here will be 1 unit as well. 1 unit, 1 unit. So when we quickly annotate, we can clearly see that the sum of the unshaded parts will be 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 units. So 5 units will represent 770 squared cm. We can then find the value of 1 unit. Alright, and that would be 770, divide this by 5. 154. Okay, and in order to find AB, right, it's beneficial, or it's a must actually, to find the area of this rectangle. Because once we get the area of rectangle, then we can divide it by 33 to get this section, or this AB section as well. So the area of the rectangle will be 3 units. 154 times 3. 462 squared cm, and then from there we know that the length of this rectangle is 33. What is the breadth then? Because the breadth is the same as AB. AB will be equivalent to 462 divided by 33, which is equals to 14 centimeter. Now where is 14 centimeter? It's going to be here. It is also going to be the radius of this particular circle, which is actually AB. So what's our first answer? 14 cm. That's for AB. So in the exams, please transfer this answer into the relevant blanks. Okay, now that's for part A. Now how about for part B? Part B is asking us for the perimeter of this particular figure. So again, I repeat this, perimeter of this will be the outline. So 3/4 of a circumference plus this straight length plus 14 plus 33. So what is 3/4 of your circumference? To find the circumference, we need the diameter. So diameter will be 14 times 2. That will be 28 cm. And 3/4 of, okay, in math, of means times, of pi times diameter. So diameter is 28. 3/4 times 22 out of 7 times 28. Okay, so you can press the calculator for this because this is actually a paper 2. But if you can't, press, let's say it's a paper 1 booklet B, then you can do cancellation. Okay, so 66 centimeter, which is this curved part here. Don't forget, perimeter means outline, so we need to add 33, 14, and also this length here. Now, what is this particular length? Question mark. That question mark will just be 33. Take away this radius, which is 14. minus 14 is 19 cm. So it's not really a question mark, it's actually something we know now as 19 centimeter. So what we do next is we will take 66, which is this 3/4 of a circumference, plus 19 plus 14 plus 33. 66 plus 19 plus 14 plus 33, that will give us the entire outline, or what is known as the perimeter. 66 plus 19 plus 14 plus 33 to give us a final answer of 132 centimeter. And please transfer your answer into the answer blanks at the bottom right.